Bloody robots in my kitchen? Listen up, the world's gone mad for AI. It's everywhere you look, from our phones to our homes. First it was cars, now it's bloody cooking. Yes, you heard that right. They call them Chef GPT and Chef Watson. These AI chefs are making waves. These robots reckon they can cook us dinner. Imagine that. Some say it's the future. Personalized menus, perfect nutrition, all at the touch of a button. Sounds like a dream, right? Sounds tempting, doesn't it? But hold your horses. Is it really that simple? Cooking is an art, not a science. It's about more than just following a recipe. It's about passion, creativity, a pinch of this, a dash of that. The human touch. Can a machine really replicate that? Can it truly understand the nuances? Let's find out. Join us as we explore this fascinating intersection of technology and tradition. Learning to cook like a machine. These AI chefs, they're like sponges. They soak up information, absorbing every detail about ingredients and techniques. Thousands of recipes, ingredient pairings, nutritional data, you name it, they've analyzed it. They can even predict trends and suggest new combinations. They can tell you the perfect wine pairing for your sea bass down to the vintage and region. They can even adjust recipes for your dietary needs. Gluten-free? No problem. Vegan? Easy peasy. They cater to every preference. But here's the thing. Cooking isn't just about following instructions. It's about instinct, creativity, and passion. It's about knowing when to add a pinch of salt or a knob of butter and how much is just right. Can a machine really replicate the intuition of a seasoned chef? I don't think so. The human touch is irreplaceable. Taste is subjective, and that's where human touch makes all the difference. It's about personal preference and experience. The joy of cooking, the satisfaction of a well-made dish. Can AI truly understand that? The heart and soul of cooking lie in the human experience. A bespoke menu for every eater. Don't get me wrong, AI has its uses in the kitchen. Imagine personalized menus tailored to your exact preferences. Want a low-carb meal with extra spice? No problem. AI can whip it up in a flash. It can even help you optimize your nutrition. Need more protein? Less sugar? AI can adjust your meals accordingly. It's like having a personal nutritionist on call 24/7. Pretty nifty, eh? And it ensures every meal is a culinary delight. The human touch. More than just a dash of emotion. But let's not forget what really makes food special. The human touch. It's the love and care that goes into every step, from the selection of ingredients to the final presentation. That feeling you get when your grandmother makes your favorite dish, the warmth and comfort it brings. The memories evoked by the smell of freshly baked bread, filling the house with a sense of home. These are things AI can't replicate. The warmth, the memories, the human connection. Cooking is about passion, about tradition, about pouring your heart and soul into every dish. It's an art form that transcends generations. It's about creating an experience, not just a meal. It's about bringing people together, sharing stories, and making memories. It's the joy, the laughter, the love that goes into every bite. It's what makes food truly special and unforgettable. AI and humans the future of food? So will robots be taking over our kitchens anytime soon? I doubt it. But I do think AI has a role to play in the future of food. Imagine a world where AI assists chefs, not replaces them. Where machines handle the tedious tasks, freeing up chefs to focus on what they do best, creating culinary masterpieces. The future of food is a collaboration, blending human creativity with AI precision. Ramsey's final word. Look, I'm not afraid of a little competition. But when it comes to cooking, there's no substitute for the human touch. So, to all you AI chefs out there, bring it on. I'm ready to take you on. Let's see what you've got. The kitchen is my battlefield, and I'm not backing down. Comment below. What dish would you let AI cook for you first? Like if you're hungry for more AI versus the world. Subscribe before the next course is served. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. Coming up tomorrow, AI steps onto the battlefield. Can it outsmart a trained soldier, or even win a war without bloodshed? Don't miss the AI General! Stay tuned for more groundbreaking AI adventures. As we wrap up this culinary journey, it's clear that AI has its strengths and weaknesses. While it can assist in creating personalized menus and optimizing nutrition, it lacks the human touch that makes cooking an art. The future of food lies in a harmonious blend of human creativity and AI precision. So, let's embrace the technology, but never forget the passion that makes every dish special. Welcome to our Extended Insights segment, where we dive deeper into the capabilities and limitations of AI chefs. Can an AI really outcook a Michelin-starred human? Let's explore this intriguing question further. AI chefs excel in consistency and precision. They can replicate recipes with exact measurements and cooking times, ensuring every dish meets a standard. This is beneficial in large-scale operations like restaurants and catering services. However, what about creativity? Michelin-starred chefs are known for innovative dishes and unique flavor combinations. Can AI match this level of creativity? While AI can suggest interesting pairings, it often lacks the intuitive sense human chefs bring. Some Michelin-starred chefs are already collaborating with AI to push culinary boundaries. By combining human intuition with AI's insights, they create innovative and consistent dishes. So can an AI chef outcook a Michelin-starred human? The answer isn't straightforward. The future of culinary excellence lies in this symbiotic relationship, where technology and tradition coexist. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI in the culinary world. Until next time, happy cooking. Happy.